Hi, I'm Peter Murray, and I've been hired to endorse this revolutionary new product in weightlifting. These are called weak weights. They're a lot different from what you're used to. The normal, cumbersome weights, they can be multiple pounds. These, really lightweight, easy to use. I recommend them for everyone.
But isn't that just a piece of paper?
No, it's not just any old paper, Mitch. It's polyextrusion base paper, formerly just used in packaging, now has monumental and revolutionary advances in weight and muscle building.
Wow, that sounds cool. Can I try it? Feel the burn. That's a good workout. But can I bring it places?
Yes, you can.
You could use it while you're watching a movie.
Call now, and for the low, low price of $19.95, you can get weak weights.
You can bring it to a normal breakfast.
You can even bring it on a jog.
You can even do it in a tree.
My eyes can't believe what they have seen. In the corner of your room, you've stockpiled millions.